Hey folks, welcome to Market Intraday Analysis by InTheMoneyStocks.com, your leaders in pure technical analysis, avoiding all that Wall Street hype. This video is for Monday, November 19th, 2012. My name is Gareth Soloway, Chief Market Strategist here at InTheMoneyStocks.com. All right, guys, the markets again here rallying sharply higher. This is exactly what the PPT methodology predicted. And again, it's great to have a methodology, a strategy on our side that makes us compete and win against the institutional money. And again, just bringing the profits back home. A lot of members who have joined us complain about how they just continue to be on the wrong side of the markets before they come to InTheMoneyStocks.com. And now all of a sudden they're starting to rake in the profits. It's what I'd love to see, and this is no different today. Last week I had our members pick up stocks like Chevron, IBM, Apple, a lot of other ones like Hewlett-Packard even late last week, and all of those market-moving stocks are moving up dramatically. Let's take a look at some of them. We'll get into the market action here. IBM, look at this, guys, up over $3, up $3.25. Apple, stellar move, up $31.35. Awesome move on Apple here. Taking a look at a couple other stocks out there. Chevron, up $1.48 right now. And again, just think about it as if you were with us. If you're not with us, honestly, to be honest, frankly, if you're not making money in this market, like if you didn't buy last Thursday and Friday in this market, then honestly you should just quit and just stop trading and investing, because you're just a sucker for the institutions to continue to rape. I mean, that's what it is. It's just a raping of your money. You got to understand again that this is how it's played. You're literally up against computer programs that are so much more sophisticated than anything you have. You're up against more money than anything you have. You're talking about billions of dollars against you. The only way you can even have a chance to succeed is by having a strategy that competes and wins against the high-frequency trading programs and the institutional money programs. And again, that is clearly, again, proven 100% to be the PPT methodology, price, pattern, and time methodology. And again, let me just show you a couple things here. I'm not going to go into the explicit specifics of this, because obviously that's for members here at InTheMoneyStocks.com. But simply put, look at Chevron. My entry last week on Chevron was right here at 100.90. All right, I'm literally up over $4 on this already, guys. All right, basically up $4 at this stage of the game. I mean, that's awesome. And that's in a matter of a couple trading days. I mean, if you look at Apple, let's take a look at Apple. I mean, Apple had a ton of support right here and has a bottoming tail. I mean, that bottoming tail, if you didn't pick up on that on Friday, then I don't know what you're looking at. I mean, that is a classic reversal signal, and Apple today up $31+ on the back of that. And again, going to some other stocks. I mean, look at JPM. JPM told you it was going to go up because it kept on hammering on the 200 moving average here. All right, when you hammer on the 200 like that, it's asking you. It's saying, hello, wake up, smell the roses here. We are going to go in the opposite direction. All right, we can look at other stocks like IBM. I mean, IBM just short-term oversold. Nice little doji there. Reversal to the upside. Has some legs. What I told my members, at least, and I'm just being flat out honest with what I'm telling my members, and many of you guys are watching this are probably members anyways, but I just said to them, I said, look for the market to bounce. We're due for it. The technicals, there's no confirmation, which is proprietary. Obviously, anyone who's not a member is not going to know what that is. No confirmation to the downside on the spiders. And if we go to the spiders chart, you can see clearly no confirmation. Bottoming tails in place. Holiday week. Therefore, anticipate upside. I said the upside would be 138.50-ish and possibly higher. Sure enough, today, what are we at? 138.59 right now. So we're above it by 9 cents. The upside could actually continue a little bit longer as well. So, again, just be aware, folks. This is where it's at. My guess is we're going to, by the time this week is over, probably kiss this 20 MA somewhere around the 139.50 level. So we have another $1 or so upside. I don't think there's a ton more upside in this market, but in the short term, again, it's just about printing money. Are you printing money? Are you making money on a consistent basis in the market? Because our members are here, I am here, and I'm just going off of what the charts are telling me using the PPT methodology. Okay, I mean, we have institutions that consult us on this stuff. We actually have a few that we do give it out to, but aside from that, it's a rigged game, folks. You're against computer programs that Goldman Sachs has, that all these other trading big players have. You got no shot. I mean, I'm just being flat out honest. You have no shot in the market to consistently be profitable. Long-term investing is dead because they're going to whip you out of that anyways. You know, think about being a long-term investor back in 1999. All right, so 99 2000, the market crashed. Tech bubble. You just lost 80% of your money. All right, then the market rallied back and crashed again. Then market rallied up again, went right back to those highs again, and then crashed again. You've literally made no money if you're a long-term investor. The only way to do it now, in my opinion, is a swing trade, which is holding stocks for a week, 2 weeks, a month, a few days, and just keep on rinsing and repeating, which is what our methodology allows us to do. It's awesome stuff. All right. So again, profits in the bank today, which I love to see. I love seeing, again, our members making a lot of money, especially when the market gaps up, just to know that it's already up like that and continued up today. You have a continuation move today, beautiful continuation move. If we go to your intraday chart here, folks, let's take a look. You can see really from the initial gap up, we just went sideways to up, then floated down, then floated up again. Volume has died out. My guess is by tomorrow into Wednesday, the volume is going to be almost nil as holiday volume comes in place. So be aware of that. The dollar, this was a perfect call as well. All right, the dollar here, folks, let's take a look. Topping tail on Friday. I had a long UUP trade. I was long the UUP. Where did I get out? On Friday. It's time-stamped. It's in the research center on the hot charts and alerts. Enough said. You know, it's time-stamped. It tells you exactly my entries, my exits via timestamp. My members all got it. We all moved out. Right here on Friday, the dollar coming back in. Beautiful profit on being long the dollar. I don't just trade the stocks, guys. Commodities, currencies, the methodology works on everything. Okay? And again, notice how when the dollar comes in, the markets are rallying. That's the beauty of what we do here. Again, it's understanding the market and having a proprietary methodology called the PPT methodology that will teach you and help you be on the right side of every trade. All right, I'm going to get going, guys. Again, I've made a ton of money today, as have all our members here. Basically, if you had the longs that I put out last week, you're pretty much making money on each and every one of them. A couple of them are still flat, but majority of them are up insane amounts, like Chevron and IBM is up a couple bucks from our entry and so forth, and all those rest of them. So, again, we encourage you to come here. Come join in themoneystocks.com. Take the 7-day free trial. It's a 7-day free trial. Can't go wrong. All right, you take the 7-day free trial to the Research Center, and on the Research Center, you're going to get our swing trade alerts and everything else. Have a great evening, folks. I will talk to you all soon. Take care.